Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Academy. In this video, I will show you how to calculate square numbers quicker. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe to this channel and press the notification button to get notified whenever future uploads take place. So with that, let's move on to some small example. First we have 250 square. Now you might think that this is a big number, but using the method that I am going to show you now, you can do these simply. First you need to arrange them so that they can form 250 squared using squares of two binomial expression, which you have learnt in your grade 10 lesson number 4. So now I have arranged them in two different ways. Although you do any method, you get the same answer. Also you can take 500 minus 250, that's also 250. Now all you have to do is just simplify and you will get your final answer. If you don't know what squares of binomial expressions, I'll explain you that. In the first, you should put the square of this, that is 200 squared, and then you should take the product of these two multiplied by 2. And then you should take the last factor as squared, that is 50 squared. Once you do that, when you simplify along, you get the final answer of 250 squared. So now I have shown you the arrow how it comes. So the first factor, the second factor, that is the product of these two multiplied by 2, and the third factor. So there your final answer will be 62,500. So that means 250 squared will be equal to 62,500. Also I'll do the next one, that is 300 minus 50. Also you get the same answer. So there you get 62,500. In either way you do, you get the same answer, as long as the numbers that you take initially is correct. So both ways we have got 62,500. So this is the simplest way of finding any squares that is given. And even if your calculation speeds are higher, that is an advantage for you. Here we have tried a small and easy example, that's 250. Now let's try a bigger number, 1500 squared. So I'll show you this in two methods. So I'll take 1000 plus 500 and 2000 minus 500. So now all you have to do is to simplify this and get the final value for the 1500 squared. There you get 2,250,000. That's a huge number. Usually you won't get these types of questions, but when you get these types of questions, try to make the initial equation easier. So here we have got 2,250,000. So that means these two equations are correct. So for any squares that you get, you can use this method to find them easily. So you can use this method and try them with other sums. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you understood this method to calculate any given square numbers within a finger snap. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel if you are new, and press the notifications button to get notified whenever future uploads take place. See you all in my next video.